Hi, I'm Annika from Rufus Coco, and today we're showing you how to use the Rufus Coco training clicker and whistle to train your dog. I have with me here today Julie from Dog Logic, who has over 10 years experience, is an accredited trainer and a member of many professional associations and a TAFE lecturer, so you're in good hands. Let me also introduce you to Tanner, our dog. But before we start, let me tell you about it. Clicker training is based on positive reinforcement, a method of training based around giving rewards for good behaviour, not punishment for bad behaviour. Clickers are a very useful tool in training because the clicker makes a distinctive noise that's more effective than a voice or word because it sounds the same every time. That makes it a quicker way to train your dog. Clickers can be used for all sorts of animals. In fact, did you know that they're even used to train elephants? But for dogs, they're suitable for training or modifying behaviours in puppies and even older dogs. Okay, it's done in 2 steps. The first step is to condition your dog. Here's how you teach your dog to make an association between the clicker and the reward. First, put treats in one hand and the clicker in the other. Each time she clicks, she straight away gives the treat. You'll note that the dog doesn't have to do anything. Just click and treat about 10 times. You'll also note that she keeps her hand very still. Otherwise, you're confusing your dog. To test that it has worked, wait until your dog is distracted and then click. Your dog should respond and come over to you expecting the treat. Step 2. You can teach your dog a number of tricks or cues. Today, we'll teach Tanner how to sit. Remember, step 2 has to come after step 1, conditioning your dog. Now, lure or maneuver your dog into the right position. And when he has reached the right position, in this case sit, then you click and give the treat. Please be patient. Once he is confidently doing the behaviour, then introduce in a clear voice the word sit, so he associates the words with the action. You'll note that the clicker is to be used to reinforce your command, so it's to be used immediately after the dog sits. Be sure to be quick with the clicker so that he knows what action you're rewarding. For instance, if he sits and then quickly gets up and sniffs something, then you click, he might think it's for sniffing. The clicker is not needed once your dog has learnt the behaviour. Once the behaviour is learnt, other rewards such as a praise or a pat can be used to reward your dog. And the Rufus Coco training clicker and whistle has a whistle for getting your dog's attention and a retractable clip for fastening to your lead or your waist when you're out and about.